Hey guys, thank you for being here. I'm going to show you how to add records ordering to your Avo app. So first we're gonna make sure that Avo is up to date. We need to use version 124.1 at least. Next, we're going to go and add the gem to our gem file. We're going to use acts as list. You don't have to use it, but I strongly recommend it. It does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Next, we're going to go and do a bundle install, and we're going to generate a migration. We're going to add the position attribute to our course links table. Next, I'm going to migrate the migration and start the server. Cool. Now let's update our model. So we're going to add access list to our course link model, and we are going to add a default scope. So the default scope would be an order scope. We have to order it first by position and then by created at. Next, we're gonna go and update the course link resource so Avo knows how to display your buttons. So we're pasting in the ordering parameter. Now the ordering parameter has two options: always visible, which we'll talk about a little bit later, and actions. Actions are actually just lambdas that receive the record that you're going to move, and you can use whatever logic you need to use on that record. We're going to use the access list actions, so we're going to move higher, lower, move to top, or move to bottom. Now there's one more thing that we need to do, is to get into our Rails console and manually add that index, so acts as list knows how to increment or decrement that position. So we're going to choose course link. We're going to do each with index, and for each one we're going to update the position attribute to that index. I think we made a mistake. Oh yeah, okay, cool. We need to add all to that query to update it. Cool. So now that everything is updated, we'll go and see what we made. So we have that button that we can order to move higher, move lower, or move to top, or move to bottom. And do you remember that always visible setting? Now we can toggle that to true, because when we have different resources that require us to constantly move them up and down, we may need all of those arrows, all of those buttons visible at all time. So now they are visible, and you can toggle them higher and lower, or to top or to bottom. Cool. Thank you so much for being here. Looking forward to see what you're going to build with Avo.